called bootleg and counterfeit. Everything has a label. Everything. From people to clothes. And just because they sew Gucci on a t-shirt doesn't make it so. See, people like to take things that are cheap and make them seem expensive by changing the name, but I don't care if it says Gucci or Louis. It's still just Hanes. It's still just a $5 t-shirt dressed up to be something that it's not. So spend your $40, but a bootleg counterfeit is all that you buy. Nothing real. Just a cheap imitation of what you wish you could afford, claiming you keep it real, and yet your hair, nails, purse, and that shirt are forged. Fake. Bootleg and counterfeit. Not legit. Nothing real. It's funny how in life sometimes people can be that shirt. Across the front they read strong, but the label says hurt, broken, molested, or handled with care. And sometimes other people will read your label and realize that you don't know what's written there. See, those kind of people like to take things that are expensive and make them seem cheap, knowing that your spirit says greatness, but they label you weak or stupid, not good enough, or unable to achieve. And since you never read your label, you just crumble and believe and say they must be right. After all, my mama was a crack fiend and my daddy went unseen, so how can I have value? How can I know what my label reads? I'm able to see. You were crafted by the master's hands. Every intricate detail perfectly planned. You're not a $5 t-shirt. You're one of a kind, worth not defined by hurts. See, God labeled you special, unique, and he gave you dominion. So if you took time to read your label, you wouldn't seek other opinions. And when they labeled you worthless, unattractive, and told you how much you hated, you would just laugh and say, redo your math because you miscalculated. I'm seamless, handmade, and rare. Not a counterfeit or a reproduction. There is no pair. Just me. Beautiful, wonderful, intelligent me. And once you understand that, you never let another label define who you're destined to be. Yes, sir.